I'm Emma Woodward. I'm a managing director in the Digital and Insights team within Strategic Communications. The challenge that we have with deepfakes at the moment is that the barrier to entry is lower than ever in creating those deepfakes. And you have a really broad range of actors who are potentially creating them as well. So that could mean nation states, and we see those, of course, when it comes to interfering in elections and things like that, all the way through to individual actors, disgruntled employees, that sort of thing. And so the challenge then for us and our clients is that because you have such a broad range of actors who are creating this content, it's really difficult to identify the perpetrators and hold them to account. The reputational impact of deepfakes, of course, is that this sort of fake news essentially can impact perceptions of an organization, of leadership, of the way that they interact and engage with their audiences, their stakeholders, their customers. Unfortunately, there's not a silver bullet when it comes to monitoring around deepfakes, tracking deepfakes, or really any sort of technological way that we can prevent a deepfake attack from happening. So what that means is that for corporates, it's more important to think about preparedness. Most of the technological solutions that we see and that indeed we use here at FTI are more focused on sort of after the fact, diagnostics and in the context of litigation or an investigation, proving that something is not real or is a deepfake. So when it comes to kind of real-time monitoring, that's a lot harder to do. What we do recommend for our clients, what I would recommend, is to think about a tech infrastructure that allows for real-time monitoring across as many different communications channels as possible. For a client, is more around mis and disinformation. So rather than monitoring for deepfakes, it's more around how do we trace narratives, perhaps, that are surrounding your company that might represent misinformation or disinformation, and get on top of that and understand who's driving those and what the spread is. And in a lot of situations, the existence of mis and disinformation surrounding a company signals an environment that's really ripe for deepfakes and synthetic media more broadly. And then when it comes to after the fact, after a deepfake attack, we recommend also having technology in place that allows companies to really quickly assess the spread, assess the damage, understand where this deepfake content and narratives, where they spread, who they spread to, which audiences have been most impacted, because then that allows them to prioritize not just a communications response, but a much broader business and operational response as well.